Good morning, good evening, good day. It's Tracy back from Matley House. How are you all doing? Hope you're doing fabulous. Today is another rewind. What number are we on today? I think we're doing 19. No, 19. Okay. So, as per normal, I went back to the original OG haul and updated all the links that I could there. And I've put the updated links down below in the description as well. Okay, so let's get on with it. All right, let's pull up my list. Where's 19? Oh, it's a small haul, this one. Okay, good. Right, let's begin. First item. The first item, it was a cute little coffee gnome. It's still in my kitchen. I still love looking at it. Cute little thing. Let's go for a walk and have a look at it. But what I'll do is I'll get item number 2 in and then we'll go for a walk and look at both of them at the same time. So, yeah, the coffee gnome. Tick, cute little thing. I mean, it's just a decor, so there's nothing really that could go wrong with it. So, yeah, it's fine. Second item. Yes, on my Stanley dupe, the 40 ounce, the stainless steel internal things, I was cleaning the lid and I broke the lid. So I thought, oh no, I didn't know that you could get replacements or anything. I hadn't looked up until this point. And I found that you can get all sorts of like replacement parts for it. So even better. So the second item was a lid for the tumbler. So I've still got that and I'm still using it. That one hasn't broke at all. I've not had any problems with that one. So that one's all good. But let's go for a quick walk and have a look at both of those in the kitchen. Oh yeah, let's go for a walk. La la la. Okay, so what are we looking for? I won't turn the light on. The coffee gnome first, wasn't it? I'm such an airhead. There's the little coffee gnome. He's there. He's up there at the moment because it's a bit busy down here. But yep. Cute little guy. And the replacement lid that I'm talking about, it was on this one. I don't know what happened is there was on the original one, this part was clear so you could see under it and there was some coffee spillages under it. So as I tried getting it off, it snapped, which made me then hunt and get this one. I've not had any problems with this one. So yep, all good. Put that back in its little cave. Okay, next. Tick on that one. Yep. Using. No problems with that one. Next, what was next? Oh, they classified it as a Christmas cardigan. And basically it's just, there's no buttons or anything like that. And it is the very slippery, shiny material. But it was covered in sort of reindeer and candy canes and things like that. So it was very Christmas, over the top Christmassy. And I just thought it'd be cool to wear at Christmas on Christmas Day. It was really long. Everything's long in the sleeves for me though, to be honest, because I seem to have short arms. But it wasn't nice, put it that way, because it was the slippery, shiny material. But because it was Christmas, I wanted something just for Christmas Day, really, because I wanted to wear a nice, cool little t-shirt, and it was just something to throw on, really. Would I wear it again? Well, it is still hanging in my wardrobe. Maybe not. That's, yeah, I suppose a waste, because now I've worn it once, I probably wouldn't wear it again. But I don't know how to justify that one. I can't justify that one, really. I did wear it once, so it's not, and only once, so it's not used, and it's not unused, but I know at some point it's going to go to the bin, and probably when I buy this year's one. But I'm being honest, yeah, that'll probably go to the bin. So I'm going to mark that as bin. Yeah, okay. Onwards. Next was some Eucalyptus grass plants. These were cute. I loved, look, actually, there's one there, plop, and there's one there. And the other two are in the front room. We won't go for a walk for them. But I liked those little pots. I liked them because they were already in pots, so I didn't have to go looking for a pot. And I particularly like this one because it's got little bits of purple on it. But the hedges and the wild undergrowth here. Here we will find the species of the Traz in the undergrowth. Flonker. But yeah, like them, still using them. Tick, tick. Next was some pillowcases that I got for the front room, and they're sort of abstract art in beige and grey sort of slaps of paint. Now they've got the typical printed thing where they're printed one side and it's white the other. Have I still got them? Yes, I've still got them, but they kind of got replaced. Now, not because they're horrible or anything, because I still like them, but I come across this big black velour pillowcase, a big white one, so they kind of took over. So even though they were well used, they were well used until I got replacement pillowcases, and these pillows are like, they're huge as well. But I've still got them, but there's nothing wrong with them. So I'm going to say they're still used because I used them for months. Next. The next two items really were for the sofa, and they were slip covers. They classified them as waterproof. They're not waterproof at all. I don't know how they say they're waterproof, but they were like, they looked like a waffle material, and you stretched over each of the cushions. I've got a modular, so most of them covered, but the corner piece and an end piece and the chair, no, that wouldn't fit. And even though I've got one, they were still quite tight so that it curved at the front. But mostly it was for protecting the dog, because the dog would get on the couch. And then if somebody scared him, because he can't hear anything and he can't really see, so you can easily scare him and he can have little accidents. So, and because he was on the couch a lot, that's why I got these covers, so that I could put like puppy pads underneath, pee pads, and he could still be on the couch. But nowadays he doesn't even want to get on the couch. He stays on the floor and in his bed. So I took them all off. So they're in a drawer, or the airing cupboard, I think they are. Do I rate them? They did a job for me. They protected the couch from the dog, but they were a little tight, to be fair. But that could be my couch that's the issue. That's the problem. You could have such different like thicknesses of cushions, and they could all fit differently, couldn't they? But they did classify them as waterproof and everything, and they're really not. It's just thin material that covers your couch. You'd have to put something underneath it to help protect your couch if that's what you're after. So used, but not using anymore. I think we can put them there now. Doop. Both of those. So doop, doop, doop twice. Oh, this is okay. The next one is a small desktop like garbage can, white. I think you've seen this loads of times because I ended up having it in the kitchen. At first, it was beside my coffee pot, and I'd use it as a knock box to clean out the actual espresso thingy. of all of its beans. I was bashing the heck out of it, because sometimes you have to give that thing a good old bashing to get it out. The box wasn't quite strong enough for that, so I moved it and put it next to the tea area so that I was putting tea bags in it, but I still broke it. As I was cleaning it, I went to take out one of the bags, flip the lid and snap the lid off. So I probably weakened it with all my banging from using it as a knockbox. But yeah, that one, even though I did use it right up, gosh, it was probably only about a week and a half ago or so that it actually ended up in the bin. Boop. Next. Oh, the last one. Told you it was a quickie this time. The last one was a colour block cardigan. Now, what happened to this? Don't know. I need to go look in my wardrobe. Hold on. Right, we're going to look in my wardrobe to see if I've still got the colour block jacket-y, cardigan-y thing. Oh God, I've not made my bed again. Lazy! Oh, hey up. Oh look, there's the Christmas one. See, I've still got it at the moment. At the moment, she says. My gosh. Need to sort out this wardrobe. Ugh. I hate sorting out clothes. I really hate it. Look at, these are all jumpers and cardigans. And I can't get in here. Oh, blimey. I don't see it. I'm thinking that must have been a return, because I don't have it. Okay, let's go back. Hold on, let's look in this one, just in case. No, I haven't got it in that one. No, that was a return. Okay, might as well bring you with me. Look at me, ambidextrous. I'm hoovering as well. There's little Jack. Hey, Jack. He hasn't got a clue what's going on, bless him. Right, let's sit. Next. For a minute there, I thought I kept it because it was pretty big and pretty fleecy and fluffy. I don't like the fact that a lot of these fleeces don't really have a lining of some sort. So when it's like stitched and seamed together, you feel all the seams, and that kind of irritates. But it was pretty big, so I've got a feeling that went back because it was big. I mean, I think the sleeves came down to about here on me. They were really big and baggy. But I had to check the wardrobe just in case I kept it, or in case Temu said keep it, which I'm assuming they didn't because it's a slightly higher price item. So that one out of here, so that must have been sent back to them, because I know that hasn't gone anywhere else. Bloop. Gosh, okay, that was super quick. Nice. That was pretty bad. There was a lot of little unused, and there was a couple of ousted. Let me look at my list again. I mean, the first two, my coffee gnome and the tumbler things, yeah. The eucalyptuses I love. And the other stuff, no. Okay. I'm going to get on with number 20 now. So, thanks for watching. And look after yourself and be good. And I'll catch you on the next one, which won't be too long.